how many other people have this issue, but what happens is this new one, it's a newer one, it's got the non-glass whatevers. So what happened was, I would turn it on, this light would blink blue, and that's all it would do. It would shut itself back off, and it would just do that over and over again. So I switched the HDMIs, I did all that thing, I even switched TVs to see what would happen. So what would happen was it would just do nothing. So what I did is I held the power button for 10 seconds or more, depending on, I don't know, whenever your PS4 will enter safe mode. So you just hold the button when it's fully shut off, you hold the button until it beeps, and then it will launch safe mode. So what I clicked was it was analyze my PlayStation, which will delete everything, and it will be factory brand new, and I'm going to go through the steps, and here's hoping that I can get my PS4 back, because I won't play PS4. So I just went through the whole setup thing, set the time zone and whatever, and here I am. This is all the stuff that's on my external 2 gigabyte or 2 terabyte, excuse me, hard drive, and this is all the stuff that is on there, and it's acting as normal. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign in and turn it off. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna turn it off. So hold the power button, quiet you. Hold the power button, power off. So while this turns off, hopefully it'll be quick here. We've got the little white light. PS4, oh, was charging. Oh yeah, because I shut it off. Derp. Okay, now it's completely off. I'm gonna go ahead and touch the power button. Hey! Okay, so this is what I would get before I reset it. It's just this blue light would still be blinking, and then this would turn off after about a couple seconds, and then it just would not boot. So it fucking worked. How you fix the blue light of death? Fuck yeah. Sucks I lost all my shit, but got it working. Shit's good. Pressing buttons. Controller. User. Quiet you. Okay. So I guess maybe that's a better way than fixing it than hitting it with your knee or stepping on it or punching it, as I've seen some of the other videos do. Or taking apart, adding washers to the screw, or a washer to some screws or something. I don't know, but it's working. I'm happy. Goodbye.